Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS News for Friday, August 5. The Jamaica Customs Agency has reported net revenue of $44.136 billion for the first quarter of the 2016-2017 financial year, surpassing its target by 5.2%. Chief Executive Officer retired Major Richard Reese made the disclosure during a press briefing held at the agency's head office on Thursday.
When compared to the first quarter of the financial year 2015-2016, the agency recorded growth in net revenue collection by 13%, or approximately $5.120 billion.
This being up from the $39.016 billion in 2015. He also noted that major tax items including import duty, GCT, and special consumption tax performed positively relative to the targets for the quarter and previous year. Some 80 jobs have been created with the opening of a multi-packaging plant at Red Stripe. In lauding the move, Industry Minister Carl Samuda says this will lead to additional employment as the company engages more farmers to increase cassava production. A key ingredient in its processing, Red Stripe plans to have 1,000 acres of cassava under production by the end of this year.
I have participated in the growing of cassava. I am convinced that it is a wonderful project, and I'm looking forward to the day when you achieve the expanded involvement of our Jamaican workers and young farmers in particular to be part of this wonderful experience.
The minister was speaking Wednesday following a tour of the company's facilities. Meanwhile, Finance Minister Audrey Shaw, who was also on the tour, said Red Stripe's plan to bring its U.S. beer production operations to Jamaica and increase its export markets opens up a wealth of opportunities for entrepreneurs.
I want to thank Red Stripe and Heineken for the confidence that you are reposing in Jamaica by leading the way back to this kind of vertical integration, backwards and forwards. Backward into the farms and forward into the export markets.
The production of Red Stripe beer was moved to the United States in 2012 and returned this year. Persons who disobey evacuation orders may soon be prosecuted. Local Government Minister Desmond Mackenzie made the disclosure at a press briefing on Tropical Storm Earl Wednesday. Minister Mackenzie said he would be seeking to enforce the emergency evacuation regulations under the Disaster Risk Management Act.
We have reached a stage now where we can't continue any longer to put the lives of our first respondent at risk because persons continue to disobey the call for evacuation.
$21 million has been pumped into the Western Regional Health Authority to help with its vector control efforts. The money from the Tourism Enhancement Fund covers the cost of 9 fogging machines, a pickup truck, and the employment of additional resources in Westmoreland, Hanover, St. James, and Trelawney.
Our partnership is in a broader base of securing Destination Jamaica, of making our people healthier, and creating an environment that will be conducive to healthy experiences for our visitors who come. Our effort must be to fight it and to show to the world that we are winning the battle.
And finally, government has so far spent over $100 million to treat persons with acute flaccid paralysis, AFP, including Guillain-Barré syndrome, GBS. With 81 notifications, only 10 cases are suspected to be cases of GBS, 2 of which have been confirmed as Zika positive. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says each case of the condition cost the government $1.5 million to treat, which is free of cost to patients at public facilities. Dr. Tufton says the ministry has been stockpiling supplies to treat GBS and other Zika-related complications. The minister also stressed the importance of personal responsibility in detecting and destroying mosquito breeding sites. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.